In this training video, I will show you how to add a manually added line item. Okay, so we are on an estimate right now. We're under bedroom within a project, and we want to add a manual line item. Okay, so right here on the right hand side is the blue plus. Okay, a white plus inside a blue icon, we'll call it. So to do that, actually before I get into that, what I want to say is that if you can't find a line item in the line items that you created in one of your scope lists, okay, and then also you can't find the line item in, let's say, Craftsman out of all their line items, which is a lot. So you've got this off-the-wall, strange line item that you want to create yourself manually. Well, that's very easy to do. We have that function as well. Click on this blue plus right here, okay, and you get this drop down like we always have. If you want to add it to all your areas, you know, you can click all, let's say, but no, in our case, I'm going to deselect bathroom and hallway, okay, and I'm going to say, and deselect all, okay, and I'm going to go to bedroom only, okay. So I'm going to click on next, and this is where you add a manual line item. So I'm going to put a manual line item in here right now. I'm making this line item up right now. So I'm going to say remove studs nailed to 2 walls. Okay, that's like an off-the-wall line item you might not find somewhere. Okay, we just made that. All right, that's my line item, that's my description. Unit price, well, it's up to you. It could be regular hours, regular business hours, or it could be after hours. In this case, I'll say it's regular, and I'm just going to say, well, I'm going to charge $25 to remove those studs. That's what I want right there. Okay, UOM, unit of measurement. Okay, what measurement are we using on this? Okay, I'm going to say each, you know, that's what I'm going to term that as, the unit of measurement, each. Okay, I'm happy with what I got. And again, like I say in a lot of videos, if you want to watch this training video again, just to make sure you got it, just click on that video icon. All right, I'm happy with all of this for adding a manual line item. Click OK. All right. Now look what just happened. Okay. It is right there. We're under the bedroom. I just added this line item. Okay. Just on the fly by clicking this blue plus. Now, let's say that you wanted to modify this. Well, you don't have to go back into the blue plus. You already made it. We want you to have the greatest flexibility you've ever seen before in a program, and we've got it for you. Let's modify it if you wanted to. Okay. Let's say it was 3 walls. Okay. Something as simple as that. So I just clicked OK, and it's been modified. Okay. So flexibility everywhere. And as always, you've got your note box where you can add information right here, like say homeowner nailed various studs to the walls in the bedroom. Now, whoever's reading this note will be able to understand better what's going on than just this, let's say. It may not be descriptive enough, but these note boxes, these notes, will be. Again, as always, you can choose regular hours or after hours. I've showed you in other videos. After hours just popped in. Yep, I'll decide to take after hours on this one. There's your training videos. That's always there. You want to see it again. Click OK if you're happy with everything. We know that you're adding a note to the line item, okay, in the hours. It's in the bedroom. Click OK. I'm happy with it. So you've got your note. But the main purpose of this video is that to show you how you add manually added line items. Okay. All right. So that's, you just type it in. It gives you the choice to type in right there. And that's how you do it. And again, you can add your notes. Everything's the same. You can put in your total days. There's no calculator on each. It's only on SF, square foot, linear foot, cubic feet. But that's another video, but no calculator to worry about on that. Quantity or unit, put it in there. I chose each in the drop down for unit of measurement. Put in your unit price. Was there tax on it? This would be here if I put in a price already. And then O&P, and then total. Super, super easy. So you have so many choices on this program. You have all your list that you made of your own line items. You have craftsman line items, fantastic. And you have your own line items that you can make on the fly through the manually added line items with this blue plus. Lots of choices. Okay, lots of flexibility here. All right, that's how you do it. To your success, and thank you for watching.